Hi guys, so here's a quick update with Paul Vault. Okay? So, by the way, dun sa mga nagsa-sign up, please use your mobile muna kasi I think hindi pa siya working sa desktop. But I don't know, dun sa iba sa inyo, baka nakaka-login kayo through your desktop. So, I'm using my phone to log in into Paul Vault. And by the way, hindi rin siya working no, sa Trust Wallet. So, ang gamitin nyo guys is either MetaMask or SafePal or Token Packet. Okay? So, eto, gamit ko yung SafePal. And eto, mas madali kasing gamitin si SafePal. And ituturo ko din pala sa video na to guys, yung kung paano nyo i-save yung VT tokens dito sa inyong mga wallets. So, puntahan natin si Paul Vault. So, ito yung browser ni SafePal. Okay? Ayan, so meron na ako dito na polvault.pro which is in my history. Okay, click natin yan. Tapos dito kasi sa SafePal guys, makikita nyo yung icon ng token dito. So dapat naka-polygon yan. Okay, if not, pwede nyo i-click yan. Tapos magsaselect lang kayo dito ng network. So since we are in Polygon chain, of course Polygon. So i-click lang natin yung Polygon and then click na natin yung Go. Okay, so eto na si Paul Vault. Ayan, so i-browse lang natin pababa. Ayan, so ito yung mga plans niya, plan option. With just one Paul, pwede ka na mag-stake dito. Ita-type mo lang dito yan sa Paul amount. Tapos click mo yung stake Paul. So make sure meron kang at least 1.01 na Paul token dyan kung gusto mong mag-stake ng just one token to test. But of course, I recommend na mas taasan nyo pa kasi kung 1 lang yung ilalagay nyo dyan, of course, mabagal, diba, yung earnings. But end of the day, you will still earn 2% minimum for your stake, whatever amount na stake mo. So, ito yung another option, which is plan number 2. In 50 days, pwede kang mag-earn ng 150% total. Okay? That's 3% per day. So, ang minimum na amount deposit niyan to earn 3% is 1,000 Polygon token. Okay, so meron ding pinakamataas na percentage per day which is 5% per day for 25 days. But you need at least 3,000 up to 6,000 Paul. Okay? So maganda yung ginawa ni Paul Vault na plan options dyan. At least hindi siya kumbaga dun sa ChainCake kasi we just 5 Paul, pwede ka na mag-earn ng 5% daily. So, kumbaga, madali lang na mag-invest doon, ba diba? Kaya, madali ring madrain yung contract. So, ang kinaganda dito, guys, kay Paul Vault is hindi siya, kumbaga, meron siyang tokenomics. Okay? So, ayan. So far, at ang maganda pa pala dito, guys, yung ating earnings is direct na pumapasok sa ating mga wallet. No need to withdraw. So, kung makikita mo dito sa wallet statistics mo, ayan, nag-test lang ako ng deposit which is just 5 Paul token. Okay? So, ayan, meron pa tayong VT token na nare-receive for every 1 Paul. So, since I invest or I deposit 5 Paul token, so 0.001 bawat isang Paul token na invest natin. So, since I invested 5, so time is 5 siya. Kaya I got 0.005 na Paul Vault token. Okay? So, as you browse down here, ayan, makikita nyo pa yung mga ibang features ni Paul Vault. So, dito, referral links, pag kinlik mo yan, okay, andito yung ating referral links. So, pwede mo i-copy yan and share to your team. So, I will keep on sharing this project kasi nakita ko yung ganda nito and I know some of us ay hindi medyo nakabawi no, kay Polcash at kay ChainCake. Si ChainCake, ang bilis niyang nag-close. I mean, ang bilis niyang na-drain. Tapos si Polcash, inabot naman siya ng 3 months. Ang kaso nga lang is, since dumami na yung stakers doon, yung mga late na nakapasok, hindi na yata nakabawi, no? Kasi, very simple lang yung compensation plan. So, nakadepende lang talaga sa contract. So, ito namang si Paul Vault, ay of course, nakadepende rin sa contract yan, but nakadepende rin naman sa mga promoters. So, meron tayong YouTubers, meron tayong international promoters ng project na to. So, that way, makakatulong yun para mag-attract ng mga investors, and at the same time, meron tayong tokenomics. So, yun yung nagustuhan kong number 1 dito kay Pole Vault, na kapag nilaunch yung Pole Vault token na yan, ay tayong mga early investors, tayo lang mga investors yung nag-hold ng Pole Vault token. So, once it was listed sa DEX Tools, isa pa yan na pwede nating i-exchange or i-trade into Pole, and additional earnings yan para sa atin. So, hindi lang tayo nag-earn galing sa ating mga staking, mag-earn pa rin tayo ng galing dun sa Pole Vault token. Okay? So, yun yung kinaganda ng project na to. And also, dito sa transactions, let's see, ano ba meron dito? Ayan, enter contract address. So, siguro ito yung wallet ng ating mga whatever wallets na gusto nating i-track, ano? So, dito ulit, balik tayo sa wallet. So, ano nga pala yung i-check natin? Yung contract. So, puntahan natin yung contract. Okay? Saan ba makikita si contract? I think here, punta tayo sa dito, sa referral links ba siya? Ayan. So, nandito siya sa referral statistics. So, open in Pole Scan. Click natin yan. And ma-open na siya dito. So guys, look at this. In just less than 24 hours, meron ng 1,338 na Pole balance dito kay Pole Vault. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Let's get the token contract wallet address. Ayan, i-click natin to, no? Pole Vault token. So, mapupunta siya dito. Okay? So, there's only 500 million supply ni Pole Vault or ni Vault token. Ayan, VT. So, there are 29 holders already. Ayan, 34 transfers. Token contract address, i-copy lang natin to. Okay? And then, ayan, pwede na natin siyang i-save dito sa ating mga wallet. So, ito guys, yung 500 million na supply nito, 350 million is already allocated dito sa contract, which is yun na nga yung nakukuha natin as free for every stake natin. So, 1 Pole is equivalent to 0.001 VT token. So, tayo lang na mga stakers yung nag-hold, no? Yung early holders. So, for those people na gustong mag-hold ng VT token, kailangan nila mag-stake. So, that means that's a feeder sa contract natin. So, that's another features para mag-sustain yung contract, para hindi siya easily ma-drain yung contract. Okay? So, ayan. I-X lang natin to. Puntahan natin yung ating wallet to save yung VT token. Okay? To show the VT token balance. So, dito sa wallet natin, click natin yung manage coins. And then, dito sa enter token name or token contract address, dito natin ipipaste yung kinapi natin na wallet contract address. So, dito, add custom token. So, let's click on add custom token. Select network natin. It's Polygon. Okay? Yan, type natin Pol. And then, dito natin ipipaste yung contract address. So, sa SafePal ito guys So, automatic magpo-populate kung ano yung name ng token, anong symbol, and yung decimal. So, i-click lang natin yung confirm. Okay? Then, after that, back na natin ulit. So, nandito na si VT token. Ayan. So, meron akong 0.005 available na VT token. So, I will invest 100 Pol. Okay? So, click natin yung explore. And then, dito yung Pole Vault. Ayan. Dadagdagan natin yung ating investment. So, right here, punta tayo. So, this is on plan 1 kasi nagre-range lang siya sa 1 to 999. So, I will put on, ayan, i-back muna natin. So, I will put 100 and then, click natin yung stake Pol. Okay? So, yan, magpapa-approve siya. Click lang natin yung confirm. And then, wait lang natin. Magre-reflect na siya dito sa ating, ayun. So, ang bilis lang, 'di ba? So, I have total deposits na of 105 Pol. Okay? And, yeah. So, ayun. I have 0.105 VT token na. Okay? So, after that, pwede nating makita yan dito no, sa wallet. Dito sa wallet. So, yan. I have 0.105 VT token. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple mag-invest dito kay Pole Vault. Okay? So, Yep, when it comes to Paul, ito yung ating number 1, si Paul Vault. And then, good news dun sa mga Solana token lovers like me. It's very different, kakaiba yun guys. Kaya abangan nyo, ilo-launch natin. And I'm very excited kasi I'm a big fan din ng Sol. Kaya abangan nyo lang, okay? So make sure to subscribe to my channel and i-hit nyo na yung notification bell para hindi kayo ma-late. So once I uploaded those videos about our upcoming projects. So, yep, this is a great start for us, another year. Okay, hopefully maging successful na ang lahat ngayong 2025. So, that's all guys. And again, thank you so much for watching and staying my channel. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.